Let's start with our blog section. In this section we are going to have some panels. Then create a section tag and let's write the class as wrapper space text hyphen dark, and let's have the ID as r hyphen blog. Then get inside and create a div tag and let's have the class as d hyphen flex hyphen c, so that all the elements which we are going to define under this gets stacked up in one column. Then space container. Then let's get inside and start with the title for this section. Create a div tag and let's have the class as text hyphen center space my hyphen 2. This is going to add some margin on the top and the bottom. Then create a h6 tag and let's write the heading. Then create a paragraph text or a p tag and write any text that you want. Alright, let's add class heading to the h6 tag, then font x2 to increase the font size, then text hyphen uppercase to change the characters to uppercase. Alright, then let's define the panels. So we are going to define one panel and then we are going to copy the codes for that panel and then change the rest of them according to our design. So let's define a div tag and let's write the class as d-flex-r because we want all the panels in one row. Then get inside and let's start with the first panel. Create a article tag and let's write the class as hover2 because we are going to use the second type of image hovering effect that we have defined already. Then create a figure tag, get inside and create a tag which is an anchor tag. Then get inside and create a img tag or the image tag and let's write the source as img/portfolio-1.jpg. Alright, then create a h3 tag and write class as m-2 to add 2 rem of margin all around it. Then text hyphen center, heading, font x1. Then write the text as blog heading or any heading that you want. Alright, get below it and create a ul tag. Then get inside and create a li tag. Get inside this li tag and create a I tag and let's write the class as fa space fa hyphen user. This is the class that we have to use if you want to use font awesome icons, and we have different class for different icons. Then get outside I tag and create a tag and let's write the text as admin. And let me just quickly copy this entire li tag so that we can paste it few more times. And then just change the type of the font awesome icon and the respective text. Alright. Then get outside the UL tag and create a P tag. Then write the class as text-justify to justify the text that we are going to define under the panels. Then let me just quickly copy the text from the website and paste it in the P tag. You can write any other text that you want. Then get outside the P tag and create a footer tag. Get inside it, then create a button tag and write the class as btn. Then write the text for the button. Alright, so we have the button as well. Let's write class as text-center to the footer. This will center line the button. And if you want to know, we have to follow the same structure of the tags. That is, we need to have the article tag outside, then figure tag inside it, so that we can have the hovering effect. Because the way we have defined the CSS selectors that we have used while defining the hovering effect has to be followed in the HTML part as well. And that is why we have used this article tag and then inside it the figure tag and then the img tag inside it. Anyway, then let's just copy this entire article tag and we can paste it to create the second panel. And in the same way, we can paste it again to create the third panel. Alright, we have all the three panels. The hovering effect is there. Now we just need to style them. Maybe add some margin around them. So get inside the first panel and in the article tag, just add one class m-2. This is going to add 2 rem of margin all around it. Add the same class to second panel as well as the third panel. Alright. Then let's change the name of the images to have different images on different panels. Alright. Then let's change the letters in the heading to uppercase characters. Just add the class text-uppercase in the h3 tag. Add it to all of the panels. Alright. Then get inside the P tag and add m-2 to add 2 rem of margin all around the P tag. This looks much better now. So let's add the same class m-2 to the footer as well. Now let's add this m-2 class to the P tag of the second panel as well as the footer of the second panel, then the P tag of the third panel as well as the footer of the third panel. Now get inside the UL tag and add the class meta space m-1. We are going to define this meta class in the CSS, and m-1 is going to add 1 rem of margin all around it. And just copy it and paste it inside the rest of the UL tags of the second and the third panels. Alright. So get inside the style.css, then write hash r-blog background URL img/bg-world.png. These images are already in the img folder that you might have downloaded already, so you don't have to worry about all these things. Alright. Then #r-blog space .meta space li, then display inline block font -size 0.8 rem. This will remove the bullet symbol next to the font awesome icons. Alright. #rblog space .meta space li : after margin -left 5 pixels, content pipe symbol. It is generally above the enter key. You need to press the shift key as well as the key which is just above the enter key. Now we need to get rid of the last pipe. So write #r-blog space .meta space li : last -child : after margin left 0, content empty string, that is, don't write anything within the double inverted commas or within double quotes. Alright. #r-blog space article : not, then open bracket :first -child close bracket open curly brackets margin -left 4%. Alright. #rblog space article border 1 pixel space solid space #DDD. This will add a gray color border. #rblog space article hover box -shadow 0 space 20 pixels space 80 pixels space 0 space RGBA 0,0,0,0.5. Alright, so the panels are complete, and let's move to the next part of this website.